We had an incredible experience with Tulip, with Olan specifically. From the beginning, he took us every step of the way, helped us plan out and map out and visualize what it is that we wanted, and helped pretty much bring our vision and our dream to life. We needed a lot of guidance throughout the process. This is our first home and our first time remodeling anything. When it's your home and either you're living through it or not living there, to be able to trust the people that are working on your house and trust the integrity too, and trust the quality of the work when you're not physically there all day, every day to oversee things is really important. We really trust Olan and everyone at Tulip. So I would say the communication was excellent, by far and away more than what we expected. Every day, every decision, every different branch point in the process was very clear to us. Olan goes above and beyond to make sure that we're comfortable, that we stayed in our budget, which was something that he helped us do, even though we deviate just like many people. It's very important to Olan that we are all on the same page. And there were multiple times where, just like every other project, things don't go 100% according to plan, either because of X, Y, Z, materials, weather, things that aren't in anyone's control. The process of communication to figure it out and work through it smoothly was really incredible. We are super happy with the way that things turned out, and I would definitely recommend Tulip Remodeling to my friends, and already have to multiple friends. I was about to deliver a baby, so we had a very kind of hard timeline that we had to work with. It was hard for us to make decisions, and he kept the timeline in mind every step of the way, so I'm very grateful for that.